Welcome to Aldwych, a newly converted public space which has seen a road that was otherwise congested with cars and vehicles turn into a people-friendly zone and a more pedestrian-friendly place. And as so, you got these lovely benches to sit, strewn around with lovely plants and flowers that are just there by the side of the church and elsewhere around the place as well. It's just a nice calming place to see and beautiful as well. There's also this cool installation known as voice lab which are people talking. All in all, it seems like a step in the right direction. But what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe and follow for more.